Our project is real-time ETA finder. The problem statement is building an end-to-end machine learning system to predict estimated times of arrival for given GPS trips from thousands of trips fulfilled by Grab. Challenges in this problem are: we have to create scalable, reliable system that delivers estimated time of arrival of Grab trips. We have to create machine learning model for or retrain existing model to get accurate ETA. Ideation: customized ML system which delivers accurate ETA of trip over multiple platforms. Solution design: the system components of a solution are data pipeline with Azure Data Factory, real-time data streaming with Kafka API, ML pipeline, real-time prediction API, batch prediction, evaluation and monitoring system. This is our system architecture. Our system mainly have two parts. One part is the machine learning part and other one is the monitoring and evaluation part. The machine learning part consists of mainly two parts, which is happening in the offline and other one is happening in the real time. For the offline, we have stored all the past data in data lake. Then data is transformed, feature engineered and stored in the feature storage. And these features are feed towards the model storage, where the models are present in the versions like version 1, version 2, version 3. Then appropriate model is taken for the real-time prediction. And the real-time prediction happen using the Kafka API by gaining all the data from the weather data and the car data. Then this real-time prediction is sent to the end user for the public. And after that, these predictions are monitored and evaluated by using the time after the trip. So the user will enter the time after the end of the trip and the predicted time. They will using both of that we can evaluate the performance of the model. And with that, all these features are used for the batch training for monthly or yearly to find whether this system is running perfectly for monthly. So by using that, we can manage all the presented data. So this is our simple system architecture. We need some additional data also. We need real-time weather data to train machine learning model and CO2 level in the city to integrate traffic participation in the city to predict accurate ETA. Feature engineering and model architecture. Feature engineering. This is the overview of the pre-existing attributes. From these attributes, we take the ping timestamp to calculate the date and time. By using the date and time, we have to manage to attach other meaningful attributes to the data set. The first one is the weather. Weather is a very important part in the trips, taxi trips, because in the rainy or hot day, the trips may be higher and the ETA for the trip may be depend on the weather. After that, we get the weather data from the AccuWeather using the API. The events are happening in the certain places like Jagatra. It will help us to find how many trips will be in the certain place, and with that we can find we can associate it with the ATA. The population in the particular area is very important to find the ETA because the ETA will be higher when traffic is higher. The traffic is determined by the population also. After the text, by using the social media, we can find the sentiments of the people towards a particular place, and with that, we can find that there are the people are get interested to go to the place or not. By using that, we can find how many trips are there for that taxi, and we could find some other features which correlated with the ETA. The ICT impact of the vehicle automation in the carbon emission is important for the finding taxi trips because when CO2 level is high, the traffic is high, so it will affect directly to the ETA. OS name. By using the OS name, we could find how many people, how many users are there in the particular place, and with that we could find the ETA also. Model architecture. Ensemble modeling is one of the techniques we are trying to use to comprise many models to give a more accurate model. Time series and textual data is also important to find the sentiment. This is our T. Diversify. We have with a different skill set, which is helpful for to win the project. Thank you.